Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and connecting Gmass inside Gmail so you can send right away. Open Gmail, click the Gmass button in the Compose window, and sign in with the account you plan to use. Once done, grant required permissions. Gmass needs access to send mail and manage drafts. This is normal. Make sure your from address is verified in Gmail settings because Gmass will reuse that identity. After verification, you're ready to create your first campaign draft and import recipients. Now you build the campaign, write a clear subject and a concise body, and use personalization tags like first name to boost engagement. Upload recipients from a Google Sheet or CSV, map columns to tags so names and data populate automatically. Once your list is loaded, configure delivery, choose schedule, daily send limits, and pause between messages to avoid spam flags. Enable link tracking and opens if you want metrics. Test with a small sample. Send first to confirm personalization and finish by running a final test, then send or schedule the full blast. You'll monitor Gmass reports inside Gmail to watch opens, clicks, bounces, and replies. These metrics tell you what worked and what to change. If messages bounce or Gmail flags you, make sure you haven't exceeded Gmail sending limits and that SBF/DKIM are set for your domain when applicable. Once done, pause problematic lists, remove hard bounces, and retry after fixing authentication to restore reliable delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.